If your Asus laptop isn't connecting to Wi-Fi or the Wi-Fi option is completely missing, you're not alone. This is a common issue on Windows 11, and it can happen for many reasons: driver problems, disabled services, misconfigured settings, or even hardware confusion. In this video, I'm going to walk you through every method you can try to get your Wi-Fi working again. Let's start with the most basic and work our way to more advanced solutions. Step 1. Check network adapter in control panel. First, open the Start menu. Type Control Panel and click to open it. Once you're inside, go to Network and Internet, then click Network and Sharing Center. On the left-hand side, click Change Adapter Settings. Here, you'll see a list of your network adapters. If you see your Wi-Fi adapter, do the following. Right-click on it and choose Disable. Wait a few seconds, then right-click again and choose Enable. This quick refresh can reactivate a stuck Wi-Fi adapter. If your Wi-Fi still doesn't show up, move on to the next steps. Step 2. Set Google Public DNS. While still in the Adapter Settings window, right-click your Wi-Fi connection again and choose Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP IPv4, and click Properties below. At the bottom, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and type Preferred DNS 8.8.8.8, Alternate DNS 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then click Close to save your settings. Using Google's public DNS can help avoid connection delays and DNS lookup errors. Step 3. Diagnose connection automatically. Again, right-click your Wi-Fi connection, select Diagnose. Follow the on-screen troubleshooting tool. This can detect and resolve some common issues automatically. Windows will often suggest actions like resetting the adapter or renewing your IP address. Step 4. Update your Wi-Fi driver via Device Manager. Go to Start, search Device Manager and open it. Expand the Network Adapters section. Look for your wireless adapter. It will usually have Wi-Fi or wireless in the name, like Intel Wireless or Realtek Wi-Fi. Right-click it and choose Update Driver. If you're online, click Search automatically for drivers. If you're offline, choose Browse my computer for drivers. Then click Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the latest or most appropriate version and click Next to install. Keeping your Wi-Fi drivers up to date is one of the most effective ways to fix strange connection issues. Step 5. Reset network stack using Command Prompt. Search for CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. In the terminal window, type the following command and press Enter: netsh winsock reset. Then type ipconfig/flush DNS. Press Enter again. Close the window. This clears out any corrupted network configurations and resets your network settings. Step 6. Make sure WLAN autoconfig is running. Search for Services in the Start menu and open the app. Scroll all the way down to WLAN autoconfig. Double-click it. Set the startup type to Automatic. If the service status is Stopped, click Start. Click Apply, then OK. This service controls your ability to connect to Wi-Fi networks. If it's off, your laptop won't even detect Wi-Fi. Step 7. Perform a full network reset. Open Settings. Go to Network and Internet, then scroll to Advanced Network Settings. Click Network Reset. Then click Reset Now and confirm by clicking Yes. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and set everything back to default. Important: you'll have to reconnect to your Wi-Fi after this and re-enter your password. Step 8. Perform a power drain reset, physical reset. If your Wi-Fi still isn't showing or connecting, do this. Shut down your laptop completely. Unplug all USB devices, remove the charger, and disconnect everything. Now press and hold down the power button for 60 seconds. This discharges any residual power and resets internal hardware components like the Wi-Fi card and Bluetooth module. After holding for 60 seconds, plug your laptop back in and power it on. Many users report this hardware reset finally fixes Wi-Fi that wasn't even showing up. Final thoughts: hopefully, after following all of these steps, your Asus laptop is now connected to Wi-Fi and the missing Wi-Fi icon is back. If one of these methods worked for you, drop a comment below and let me know which one fixed it. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss future tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.